Okay friends, today I have these two photos which are most two favorite of my album. So with these two photos, today I will show you how to add our face or family or group photo from our favorite albums onto the picture of our favorite item, such as a cup of coffee or cup of tea or a cricket bat or cricket ball, soccer ball. So here I take two photos in which one is my photo, which is my favorite photo, and the another one is the soccer ball. So let's start with this. First of all, we will drag and drop this soccer ball because this will be our main photos. We will unlock this, and after this what we will do is we will use mask on this. So we will add layer mask from here. After this we will use gradient tool. So gradient tool is here. We will select gradient tool and make sure we will select here radial gradient, and mode should be normal. Okay, and make sure the opacity is 100%. If it is a different font, then just press 0 from just press a 0, so it will be 100%. So we will use gradient tool from the center of this ball to surface of this ball like this. So we'll drag and drop, and this will be like this, so that the layer behind this front layer will be visible from this area. Okay, so now it's time to add the another photo. So we'll add it from here, from file menu, but not from open option. Instead we will use place embedded, because we want to embed this photo here. So this is our photo. With help of Ctrl T we will just zoom it. But what we will first do is we will put this layer behind the main layer. Okay, and we will just make first layer invisible, so that only the layer which is the last layer will be visible. First we will do is select one, then what we will do, the quick selection option we will use here to select the portion of this photo which we will use to print on the soccer ball. So we'll just zoom and select. With help of right square bracket we will make this round bigger to make quick selection more faster. We can remove this extra portion by using Alt key. We will use left square bracket to make this round little bit smaller. With the help of Alter, we can zoom in and zoom out with scroll button of mouse. Okay, it seems to be perfect. Maybe we can make more perfect from here too. Okay, it seems to be perfect, right? So we can go ahead. What we will do now, we will just use Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So we got one layer here. We will use just this portion only here, so no need to worry about this portion. Let's make this visible main layer. Okay, so now we will use this layer. So we will select this layer, layer 1, which is the last layer right now. We will use V button from our keyboard, and then first of all we select this selection, then with help of V key we will just move this photo, not the front layer but the last layer. From the center of this ball. Now one more thing, which is we will just copy this layer using Ctrl C. After selecting this layer, we will press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So we have two copy of this layer. We will just delete this layer mask from layer, the topmost layer, and then we'll put it the last layer as the last layer. So now you can see that it is more perfect than before. If we want to move our photo, then we can do it. Just select the layer and then use a V key it seems to be more perfect than before. Now what we will do is just select this layer with our photo and then use a blur tool from here, and we will make the border more blur, so difference will be less between these two images. With help of this blur tool, we can make this image more smooth. So it seems to be little bit more perfect. Here we will save our work on computer. As well as we will export as a PNG. Let's see what we did up to until now. Okay, see, this is our final output. And at the end, I would like to thank you to all for watching this video. If you have not tried it yet, then open Photoshop and try it by yourself, because it's even much more fun to do it by yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video.